friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve Discord on Roblox, just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you'll enter to Roblox and you will enter here in this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.